Yo guys, what is going on? Pandrea here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about my card magic course. We're going to answer questions and give you all the details that you need to know. I know a lot of people have been emailing me, DMing me, commenting on my videos. So I'm going to do my best to answer as much as I can, give you details on what this project is, if it's right for you, and go from there. So guys, if you haven't checked it out yet, alexpandrea.com is months and months of work of something that I've wanted to do for a very long time. And I have a lot of plans and ideas for the site, so moving forward into the future, there's going to be a lot more content and a lot more stuff on there. But I decided to start with my card magic course because I think it was time. Over the last 20 years, I've been obsessed with card magic. I've performed all over the world, and I have accumulated all this knowledge that I think would be valuable to people maybe like you who want to better their card magic. Now, you've been watching my channel for more than 2.5 years now, and I've done my best to put as much value into that channel as possible, giving you free content, a free look into sort of how I think about magic, and I hope that's helped you. Now, the one problem in learning random sleights and routines like this is that you don't have a framework or a structured guideline to take you from beginner or whatever level you are to a more professional level. Talking about theory, my routines, my full sort of pattern of what I use to really create that sense of magic and wonder that we should be instilling when we perform our card magic. But Alex, how exactly does it work? You're probably asking yourself. Well, don't worry, we're going to go through the details right now. So this is a 5-week course that we're going to go through together. The 5-week magic course consists of 5 weeks plus a bonus week, so it really is 6 weeks. I don't know why I keep saying 5 weeks. It's 6 weeks. And I've structured it in such a way that it goes from a sort of beginner level with all the basics to all the way to my magic theory and everything in between. Every week, I am going to send you the material, the videos that you need to know. You download them, they're yours to keep. You can take a look at them weeks from now, months from now, or even years from now, so they are yours to keep. A lot of people are asking if they don't have time to go through that week's material. Don't worry, the videos are yours to keep. At the end of that week, we are going to do a live event where all of us get together, either through a secret Instagram or Zoom. I'm still putting all those details together. But basically, it's going to be a very easy way for us to communicate and do a live event for a few hours and talk about the material that we learned, go through it, answer any questions, and teach you a few more things that maybe I didn't put in the video that I think of. I always think of little things here and there, and you might have your own little touches on stuff. So we share it as a community and a live event. Week 1, we are going to talk about the basics. So the basics of card magic, card sleights. Like I said, we're going from the start, and I'm teaching you all the sort of basic sleights that you must know in order to move forward in your card magic. You might know some of them you might have learned wrong depending on where you learned them. We're going to go over breaks, jogs, steps, crimps, controls, false cuts, false shuffles, peaks, forces, palms, replacements, double lifts, switches, color changes, and put them all together. And at the end of that week, we have 3 cool effects that I used ever since I was little until still today. I use these effects, and we're going to show you how to make it really powerful and combine them into a whole routine with a beginning, middle, and finale. Moving on to week number 2, I'm teaching you my best sleights. So there are sleights that I've created over the years, my touches on my most used sleights. We're going to need these to go forward into the tricks and routines later on. There are more than 15 different moves and variations and techniques taught in this section. And then at the end of this week, of course, we're going to have another live to go over everything and answer your questions and have some fun. Week number 3, we're going into hard-hitting effects. Now, there are classics in magic, and through the years, I've come up with my own versions of the classic plots. And hopefully at the end, we're going to learn how to take some effects that you might even be doing, change it up a bit, strip it all out, start layering them on top of each other, and create a performance which is more powerful than just if you were just to do the trick. At the end of that, of course, another live. Week number 4, we are talking about full performance routines. Now, this is when it's going to start to get interesting because now we know our sleights, now we know our tricks. We're going to learn how to sit down, have an audience around us, and perform in more long, maybe structured, using storytelling, using pattern. Learn the performance psychology behind the effect, how to begin, how to end it, how to structure it and set it up in such a way that it truly feels more than just you doing card tricks, okay? Because this is the whole point. We don't want to just be doing card tricks. We want to sit down and people really be at awe, really want to come in close and hear what we're saying and see what we're doing. And really try to inspire the spectator through card tricks. Week number 5, I'm talking about my magic theory. Now, over the years, I have thought about magic, and I've probably thought about it more than most things. But I have a very particular way of thinking about magic, which goes into what I create and the performances that I like to give. You've experienced it a little bit on my videos here on YouTube, and I get really great feedback of, Alex, I love your theory. I love when you talk about more than just a sleight or more than just a trick. And how do we take something so simple and make it truly powerful? So my whole theory sort of put together, we're going to go into it. Now, I don't think your magic will be complete without this section, without learning to think deeply about our performances, learn to present our effects in a more interesting way, so we can take something simple and turn it into something truly powerful and magical. Now for the bonus week, week number 6, I'm going to share with you my secret of how to never be forgotten. I have never shared these tips with anybody before. I believe it's the most important piece of information that I'm going to share in this course. At the end of your performances, do you just walk away, say thank you very much, I hope you were entertained, and walk away? Or do you do a few things that anybody could do that will make you truly never be forgotten? And this is where we're going to learn how to present ourselves as the most interesting person that they have ever met. And of course, we're going to do a live at the end of that and wrap it all up. So that's the structure. You're getting videos, you were doing lives. You will be getting both the videos and the lives sent to you in case you missed any of them. If you're not there for the week, for example, and you can't download the material to watch it that week if you're away, or if you missed a live, don't worry, I'm recording everything and I'm sending them to you. So you will be able to have everything and go through it at your own pace. There will be hours and hours of each week, not to mention the lives. Just last night I filmed 10 hours straight just to put in the first week's worth of material. So there's a lot that I'm putting into this. So if you break it down by week, $200, it's around $33 a week, which is very, very cheap. Now in this market today, it's very easy to go spend 30-something dollars on a gimmick, on a trick that you'll probably never end up using. Now if you think that the price is too much, then probably this course is not for you, and I'm not trying to say that in a condescending way at all. Continue to watch the free videos here on YouTube, that's fine. Now with that being said, it is up to you to invest in yourself with anything that you do. So it doesn't have to be this, but take your time and invest in yourself, because that's the best investment that you will ever make to build your confidence and be successful at anything you put your mind to. For you guys that have signed up already, there's almost 500 of us strong. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. This is very exciting and I'm putting my all into this. I've been filming here for the past days, creating the content, putting as much value into it as possible. If you haven't signed up already, July 31st is the last day to do so, so you have a few more weeks to do so. I appreciate each and every one of you, even if you do not sign up for the course. Hit the like button and subscribe. That's the least you can do then if you're not going to get my course, right? Comment down below if you have any more questions, and I will be reading each and every one of them and answering them. For more information, alexpandrea.com. And we will see you shortly with a new tutorial. I haven't forgot about YouTube. I didn't stop doing tutorials, don't worry. We will see you in the next video.